Okay, so today we will start with ratio and proportion, right? So there is no formula as such. I would like to jump to the questions first. So given to us, x divided by y is 4 by 3. And we have to find out 7x minus 3y by 7x plus 3y. So from here, what is convenient to us? If we substitute, right? X equals to 4 by 3y. So if we do this, now we can put this into this. What we'll get? We'll get 7 into 4 by 3y minus 3y divided by 7 into 4 by 3y plus 3y. Then 7 4s are 28y minus 9y divided by 28y plus 9y. And then 3 gets cancelled out. 17, 19y divided by 37y. So the ratio comes as 19:37. Alright. So coming to the third question. Now we know that it's given to us alcohol is 3x and water is suppose 2x. That's how alcohol is to water gets 3:2. Given that 3x by 2x. Now if we add 5 liters of water, 5 liters of water is adding 5 liters of water and 0 liters of alcohol, because it is not given that we have added any alcohol further. So if we evaluate this, we get 3x equals 2x plus 5. This 1 by 1 because they have become equal. That is why. Now x equals 5. If x is 5, then alcohol is 3x, that is 3 into 5, that is 15 liters of alcohol was initially there. Coming to sum of 5200 is divided among 4 people such that A's share, B's share equals B's share by C's share equals C's share by D's share is 2 by 3. Find A's share. Okay. Now what is given? A by B equals B by C equals C by D, that is 2 by 3. So can we say that A by B is 2 by 3, B by C is 2 by 3 and C by D is 2 by 3. Now we know to find out the proper proportions, what we have to do? We have to equate the same parameters, right? So to equalize this, what we have to do? We have to multiply this with 2, which comes 4 by 6, and we have to multiply this with 3. So it will come 6 by 9. So here we can see B is equal. Then we can have this proportion, like if A is 4, then B is 6 and C is 9. This part is done. So we are roughly getting A, B and C is 4, 6, 9 ratio, right? Now for B by C and C by D, this is also given 2 by 3 and 2 by 3. Now to equate this, what we have to do? Again, we have to do by 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then we'll get 4 by 6 and we'll get 6 by 9. Therefore, we are getting B colon C colon D 4 colon 6 colon 9. So what we did, we are matching the variables that are included in both. Only that way we can have the proper proportions. So we get this. Now what we need to do? Now we have to equate it such that B and C are common in this too, right? So if B and C are common, how can we get B here is 6 and B here is 4? Then what we have to do? We have to multiply this with 3 and multiply this with 2. If we do that, what will happen? 8 colon 12 colon 18. And for this, 12 colon 18 colon 27. So from here we can already see that B and C are matching. Therefore, this is the right proportion for 4 of the variables. Therefore, the correct proportion is this, right? Therefore, we can directly equate 27x plus 12x plus 18x plus 8x will equal to the sum given in the question, that is 5200. 5200. If we add this up, then we get 20, 38, 48, 58, 58 and 7 is 65x equals to 5200. Therefore, x equals to 5200 by 65. Now, when we are asked about A's share, A is 8x. Therefore, 8 into 5200 divided by 65. Okay, coming to question 5. Given A colon B, B colon C is 3, 4, A, B, C. So we have already done a harder problem previously. So this is easier for us. A by B is 5 by 7, B by C is 3 by 4. What we have to do? We have to equalize this. So to equalize this, what we can do? We can directly multiply with 3 and we can directly multiply with 7. That will come 5 3 is 15 divided by 21. 7 3 is 21 divided by 28. Therefore, A colon B colon C is nothing but 15 colon 21 colon 28. This is the final answer. Okay, moving on to the next question. Ratio of income of A and B is 3 colon 4. And the ratio of their expenses is 2 colon 3. So this is for income. Then for expenses, 2 colon 3. If each saves 2000 rupees, find A's income. Now what is given? If each saves 2000 rupees, find A's income. So can we say that 3x minus 2y equals 2000? And also 4x minus 3y equals 2000? Because if we suppose income is, for A, income is 3x and for B, income is 4x. That's why we get this proportion. And A's expense is 2x and B's expense is 3x. That's why we get this proportion. So what we do is we subtract the expenditure from income and then we get the savings for both. Now if we equate this, how will we equate this? We have to multiply this with 3, multiply this with 2. 9x minus 6y equals 6000, and 8x minus 6y equals to 4000. Equating this, we get, for this thing we will get x, this will be cancelled, and we get 2000. Therefore x is 2000. Therefore A's income is 3x, therefore 6000 rupees. This is the approach you should use. Okay, moving on to the next question. So what it is given, two numbers are in the ratio 4:5. So let number 1 by number 2, 4/5. If 8 is added to each number, ratio becomes 6:7. So if we think that number 1 is 4x, number 2 is 5x, then it is given to us if 8 is added to each number, ratio becomes 6:7. So we can evaluate this and get the answer, that is 28x plus 7 is 56 equals 6 5 is 30x plus 8 6 are 48. 2x equals 48 to 56 is 8. X equals 4. Therefore, numbers are, number 1 is 4x. 4x means 4 4s is 16. And number 2 is 5x. 5 4s are 20. So, these are the numbers for us.